Hi boys and girls, Ms. Videla here with your instructional support while at home video for 7th grade reading. This video is for building background knowledge for this week's assignment. Can people really change? You will be reading Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes. In this short story, a young boy commits a criminal act. Instead of turning him into the police, the woman takes matters into her own hands and teaches him a lesson or two. Pay attention to the events that occur in the story. Before you begin reading, I would like to talk about the 1950s so you have an understanding of the time period this story takes place in. Back then, gas was only 25 cents a gallon. That's cheaper than your hot Cheetos at lunch. NASA, the space exploration program, was established. Some of the popular toys included typewriters, space ray blasters, and xylophones. Fashion trends included polka dots and crisp pants. The biggest rage, though, were blue suede shoes. The original song was sung by Carl Perkins in 1955, but Elvis Presley covered it a year later in 1956, and the rest is history. Let's talk about the setting. This story takes place at 11 p.m. at night. Think about what happens during this hour. Do your parents let you be out and about by yourself this late? Why or why not? The second setting occurs in a tenement building, which is similar to an apartment. You will notice the small living quarters are very simple. What can you infer about Miss Luella Bates Washington Jones? As you read, you will notice the characters speaking with dialect. That means they are using different words to say the same things you and I would say. An author uses dialect to help develop a character. It also helps the reader visualize what the characters are like. The conflict. As you read, pause and reflect on the conflict. What is Roger experiencing? What is his problem? How about Mrs. Jones? Think about what each character does to resolve their conflict. Character analysis is important in fiction because it helps you connect with the character. Ask yourself, what does your character's personality show about him or her? Can you describe any physical features of your character? What are some things that the character says to reflect on who they are? Does your character change? In fiction, boys and girls, characters are going to grow. And that's why they have the rising action and falling action events, because they have to go through these events in order to change, in order to grow. Think about how Roger grows. In class, we use the strategy STILL. Be sure to use this when you analyze your characters. I've included images from the following sites: thepeopleshistory.com//1958, vintagedancer.com, needpics.com, 6squarefeet.com, dreamstime.com, scholastic.com, and Peppy Zesty Chicharista. All copyrights are retained by the original owners. Well, boys and girls, that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next video.